Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you all?
Fine.
Fine,
Fine,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very good. So, see, in today's class, we will start a new chapter that is surface area and volume. तो आप लोगों ने 3D shapes सुना है क्या कि पहले कभी?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you give
Yes,
some
ma'am.
examples of those?
Ma'am, cube,
Cuboids.
cuboid,
Yes, very good. Cubes, cuboids, and
trapezium.
no, trapezium is a 2D structure. No, you can draw it completely in the plane. So, some of the 3D shapes are cubes, cuboids, you can see cylinders, you can you can include cones. No, आप स्फीयर इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं, प्रिज्म इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं, पिरामिड्स इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं. दोज ऑल आर 3D स्ट्रक्चर्स, नो 3D शेप्स, 3 dimensional shapes. So
Yes,
today
ma'am.
we are going to discuss about those 3D shapes, surface area and their volume. But I think in one class we cannot go to the volume part. तो आज हम लोग सरफेस एरिया का ही पार्ट करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दैट आई हैव समथिंग फॉर यू. आई मीन आई हैव सम शेप्स. तो कैन यू सी द शेप एंड टेल मी व्हाट इज दैट?
Cuboid. Cuboid.
But
Cuboid.
why are you saying this as a cuboid? Okay, let me show you one another shape. Just wait. So this is the another one, and this is the second one. So this one is what? What you have said?
Cuboid.
Cuboid.
And this one is?
Cube.
But what is the difference? These are all, both of them are boxes, no? See? So what is the difference? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, in cube, length, breadth, and height all are means equal.
Yes, very good, Payal. So actually, what happened? कि whenever we the difference, both of are the same shapes, but the difference is that कि see, in this cuboid, this is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height. No, so this all the three one of them that just wait. Yes, all the three of it, ये तीनों अनइक्वल हो सकते हैं, इक्वल भी हो सकते हैं. इट डजेंट मैटर वो इक्वल हो या ना हो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. मतलब तीनों में से एटलीस्ट टू शुड बी अनइक्वल. नो, कम से कम कोई दो अनइक्वल हो जाए. बट इन द क्यूब all of the three means this is the length, this is the breadth, and this the height, that should be the same. No, so this is the difference between cubes and cuboids. Since you all are in class 9th and in class 8th you have already studied ke in a cuboid or a cube कितने एजेस हैं, हाउ मेनी फेसेस आर देयर, हाउ मेनी वर्टिसेस आर देयर. शुड आई रिपीट दैट? आई थिंक नो.
No, ma'am.
This
Yes,
you
ma'am.
already know. अच्छा, सबसे अच्छा एग्जाम्पल of the cuboid, do you know what is that? The room in which you are staying this time. No, you can see clearly.
Ma'am, table.
Yes, table. Why not? You can see clearly the room around you. See, it has some length, it has some breadth, and it has some height. No, so that you can include in a cuboid structure. And if your room has all the dimensions same, means the length, breadth, and height all are equal, so you can say that this is a cube, sorry. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
very good.
Yes,
Acha,
ma'am.
now
Yes, ma'am.
one more thing I have. Sorry. What is that?
Ma'am, cone.
Yes, very
Cone.
good. So it is a cone. Can you give some daily life examples? आपने कुछ ऐसा देखा है कोन के स्ट्रक्चर का?
Ice cream.
अरे वाह, सबको पसंद है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ठंड में
ma'am.
ज्यादा पसंद है ना?
Birthday cap.
Yes, very good. Birthday cap, ice cream cones, and can you give some more examples?
Ma'am, corn, cob.
Yes. Okay. चलिए एक और स्ट्रक्चर मेरे पास तो यहाँ पर सिलेंडर नहीं बना हुआ है, बट आई हैव समथिंग टू शो. सी दिस इज अ chalk I have. And what is the shape?
Cylinder.
Yes, that is cylinder.
Yeah.
See, in the cylinder, what happened? What is there? This is the height, and when I show you this part, so you can clearly see that this is what? This is a circular face, no?
Yes, ma'am.
अगर आप सिर्फ इसे ही कंसीडर करें तो this is the circular face. Well, once again, if you see this part, that is also what? A circular face. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
स्फीयर तो मेरे
Yes,
पास
ma'am.
नहीं है, बट आई थिंक यू ऑल नो कि यू कैन टेक द एग्जाम्पल फ्रॉम अ बॉल. नो, सबने खेला है ना बॉल से?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
तो दैट बॉल इज ऑफ विच शेप? दैट इज स्फीयर. बट सी टुडे हम लोगों को ऐसा नहीं है कि दिस टाइम वी हैव टू एक्चुअली डू the surface area of those figures. I think my screen is not visible to you all. No, just wait. Is it visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So see, you are in class 9 ना, तो we are not here to discuss those shapes. उनके बारे में डिस्कस तो हम लोगों ने पहले भी कर लिया है. But here what are we going to do today? We are actually learning about the surface areas of those shapes. तो जितने भी आज हम कवर कर सके, let's see हम कितने कवर कर पाते हैं. तो the first part is surface area of what? The cube and cuboid. So I think first of all you should look into this video carefully so that you can understand whatever they are saying. तो ये जो भी वीडियोस हमारे चल रहे हैं, okay, just हाँ, I am playing the video. Okay, just listen to it carefully. Okay, everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Rahul wants to gift wrap a box of chocolates. How much paper will he need? How much paint will Priya need to paint the walls of her doghouse pink? Knowledge of surface area will help Rahul and Priya figure out how much paper and paint they will need respectively. Let's learn more about surface area of cuboids and cubes through this animation. When we talk of surface area, we can be more specific by using the terms total surface area or lateral surface area. Total surface area is the area of all the faces that make up a three-dimensional shape, unless otherwise mentioned. Surface area means total surface area. Lateral surface area is the area of all the lateral faces of a three-dimensional figure. Or lateral surface area. Total surface area is the area of all the faces that make up a three-dimensional shape, unless otherwise mentioned. Surface area means total surface area. Lateral surface area is the area of all the lateral faces of a three-dimensional figure. This three-dimensional figure is called a cuboid. How many faces do you think it has? Let's check. You can see that the cuboid has 6 faces. Perhaps you'll understand this better if you look at the net diagram of the cuboid. Can you identify the shape of each face of the three-dimensional figure? Yes, each face is a rectangle. So, if you were to find out the total surface area of the cuboid, you'll need to add the areas of all the rectangles. Let's now calculate the areas of each of these rectangles. Do you notice that the areas of rectangles 1 and 3 are the same? The area of each of these rectangles is h into L. Similarly, the areas of rectangles 2 and 4 are the same. The area of each of these rectangles is b into h. The areas of rectangles 5 and 6 are also the same. The area of each of these rectangles is L into b. On simplifying the expression, we get the following formula for the total surface area of a cuboid. To find the lateral surface area of a cuboid, we need to add only the areas of the rectangles that form the lateral faces of the cuboid. In other words, we add the areas of rectangles 1, 2, 3 and 4. On substituting the values and simplifying further, we get the formula for the lateral surface area of a cuboid. In a cuboid, the length, breadth and height are unequal. Now if we make the length, breadth and height equal, we get a three-dimensional figure called cube. On opening up the cube, we get a two-dimensional figure that has 6 faces. Each face is a square as its length and breadth are the same. So the area of one face is a square. To find the total surface area of the cube, we must simply multiply the area of one face by 6, as all the 6 faces are identical. The lateral surface area of the cube can be calculated by adding the areas that form the lateral surfaces of the cube. The area of one face is a square, and we have 4 such faces that form the lateral surfaces of a cube. So, the lateral surface area of a cube is 4a square. To find out the amount of gift paper he needs, Rahul needs to calculate the total surface area of the cuboidal chocolate box. To calculate the quantity of paint required, Priya needs to find out the area to be painted. Since she does not want to paint the floor and the roof, she will need to find out the lateral surface area of the doghouse. The knowledge of surface area has helped Rahul and Priya solve their problems. You can apply this knowledge to many other problems that you may come across in day-to-day life.
So I think you have completely understood this, about the surface areas of cubes and cuboids, no? This
Yes, ma'am.
animation was too good and too clear, no? It was
Yes,
too
ma'am.
clear to say, to show okay, which one is surface area, which one is total surface area and which one is lateral surface area. But once again I should explain it to you that what I think, okay, whenever we talk about surface area,
Specific by using the terms total surface.
When we talk about the surface area, so we should, एक minute. Okay, so whenever we are talking about the surface areas of any solid figures, see, we should be specific about whether we are taking total surface area or lateral surface area. So suppose, once again I am showing you this figure. Suppose this one is a cupboard, okay? Suppose this one is a cupboard whose height is this. No, this is the length, this is the length, and the breadth is this one. Understood? So now see, if I tell you about the total surface area of this cuboid, so it means what? It is the area of this face. It is the area of this face plus this face plus this face. And apart from it, it should have include the area of this one and this one. So when you just see your room around you, in your room you can clearly see it has four walls. No, it has four walls, and there is a top and the ceiling. So all the faces means area of all those faces, that is the total surface area. But if you just say कि area of only the four walls means lateral faces, जो आपके lateral faces के area है उनको आप lateral surface area कहते हैं. बट वन मोर थिंग आई शुड से, आप लोगों ने ये देखा भी था इन द वीडियो दैट दे हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड कि व्हेन वी आर जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट सरफेस एरिया, सो दे मीन टोटल सरफेस एरिया. अंडरस्टूड? अब हाउ टू फाइंड द फॉर्मूला of total surface area and lateral surface area? So I should just a minute. Is my screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when we are talking about the lateral and lateral and total surface area of a cuboid and cube, so see, just a minute. Wait. Yes, see, lateral surface area means what? It is the surface area. Just a minute beta, you just wait for a minute. I'm just wait. Yes. So if we talk about the lateral surface area of a cuboid, so it means what? It is the it is what? It is just the lateral surface area of cuboid, means area of the four walls. No, I have written here. It means the area of just four walls. So आप अपने चारों तरफ जब देखोगे, तो in one of the wall it includes just length and the height of the room. No, all the four walls is rectangle.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
सारे आपको रेक्टेंगुलर दिख रहे होंगे. तो अगर आप एक वॉल की तरफ देखो तो आपको एक ऐसा रेक्टेंगल दिखेगा जिसमें एक लेंथ है और एक हाइट है. नो, सो दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव रिटन हियर LH. You know the area of the rectangle is what? Length into breadth, but it includes length into height, so we should say LH. नाउ उसके एडजेसेंट अगर आप किसी अपने वॉल को देखो तो इट इंक्लूड्स जस्ट द ब्रेड्थ एंड हाइट ऑफ द रूम. सो द एरिया शुड बी BH. देन अगेन द नेक्स्ट फेस it will again be LH, and again the last face of the four walls you should see कि it is what? BH. No, तो आप यहाँ पर देखो कि what is coming? It is 2LH. देखिए हमने LH को दो बार लिखा है ना, so it is 2LH, and similarly we have written BH 2 times, so it must be what? 2H. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem? So see, we can take 2H common, it is L plus B. तो I think lateral surface area of cuboid आप कभी नहीं भूल सकते, नहीं ना?
No, ma'am.
Now see, अब अगर हम लोग lateral surface area of cube की बात करें तो see, cubes में क्या हो जाएगा? आप देख सकते हो क्यूब्स के चारों साइड्स क्या होते हैं? इक्वल होते हैं ना?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, चारों साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं. तो अगर आप उसी फोर वॉल्स को कंसीडर करो एंड ये सोचो कि ऑल दोज फोर वॉल्स हैव द सेम डायमेंशन, मींस उनकी लेंथ भी सेम है, उनकी ब्रेड्थ भी सेम है, उनकी हाइट भी सेम है, दैट इज A. So of course, एक स्क्वायर का एरिया A square, you have four walls, it should be what? 4A square, no? That is why lateral surface area of cube is 4A square. Now see, when I talk about the total surface area, अभी हमने lateral surface area देखा ना, this face plus this face plus this face and plus this face, only the 4 walls, understood? बट अगर हम लोग टोटल सरफेस एरिया की बात करते हैं तो वी शुड इंक्लूड दिस टॉप एंड वी शुड इंक्लूड दिस बॉटम, नो, तो उसी लेटरल सरफेस एरिया में जो अभी हमने फाइंड किया, हम क्या ऐड कर देंगे, वी विल ऐड दिस द टॉप एंड दिस बॉटम, ओके। तो चलिए हम लोग टॉप और बॉटम को ऐड करें एंड देखिए व्हाट वी हैव हियर, सी, वेट, so see, ये हमारा क्या था, 2HL plus B, that was the lateral surface area of cuboid, no, and the area of top is what, LB, and the area of bottom is again LB. So we have added what, we have added 2LB here. It means when you take out 2 common, it will be LH plus BH plus LB. So you can, sorry, you can clearly say total surface area of cuboid, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Is that clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, आप मुझे बताओगे कि if we are talking about the total surface area of cube, then what will happen? The lateral surface area is what? 4A square now. It means the area of 4 walls. So what is the area of the top if you are taking a cube? Am I audible, beta? Maybe there is some sort of network connective disturbance. So I will just explain it to you. See, when we are talking about the lateral surface area of cubes, जो हमने यहाँ पर find करा है, this is what, 4A square. It is actually what, this is area of this face plus area of second face plus area of third face and plus area of the 4 faces. All the 4 lateral faces, but when we talk about the total surface area of cube, so it must be what? It must be area of this top, that is also a square with the same dimension. So it is plus A square and area of bottom, which is also a square of the same dimension. So that is A square. So what we will do? We will just add 2A square to that. No?
Yes, ma'am. And it will be 6A square.
Yes, very good. So it will be what? It will be 6A square. Very good. Because of some poor network connection, there is some sort of problem. Anyway, no problem if we don't have that now. But see, I think the total surface area and lateral surface area of the cube and cuboid, that is clear to you, no? So I have some questions here for you related to that. See, just is this question visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
So see, what is the question? There is a ballot box for the school election. Needs to be wrapped, leaving the top and bottom faces. वो voting box होता है ना, उसे आप ballot box कह रहे हैं, and इसे आपको wrap करना है, so that you have to leave the top face and the bottom face. Means you only have to wrap up the 4 faces. No, only the 4 faces of the box. So what you will do? How much amount of paper you will require to wrap up the 4 faces of the box? क्या करोगे आप? What do you think? Which area you should find? It should be, you just need to wrap up the only the lateral faces. only the lateral faces.
Lateral surface area.
Exactly, very good. Since question आपसे ये कह रहा है you have to leave the top face and you have to leave the bottom. So of course you have to wrap up what? You have to wrap only the four faces, that is lateral surface area. So see, clearly it is visible the amount, what is the amount of paper you will require if height, length and breadth of the box are 40, 30 and 20. See, I have already solved this. Just wait. Do you still remember the formula of lateral surface area of cuboid? See.
Yes, ma'am.
See, in that question what was given? It was given that height of that box is 40 centimeter, length of that box is 30 centimeter, breadth of that box is 20 centimeter. Since we have to wrap up only the lateral faces, so it must be what? It must be the lateral surface area of cuboid, that is 2HL plus B. It is what? 2 into 40. You just have to put the values and you will get this much centimeter square. So आपको जब पेपर यूज करना है, कितने पेपर्स को यूज करना पड़ेगा, what is the amount of paper you will require to wrap that portion? It should be 4000 centimeter square. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So once again I have some other question for you, and the question says something different. See, Rizwana is making cuboidal pen holders to gift her friends. अब आप ये देखिए उसे क्या बनाना है? She has to make a cuboidal pen holder. Okay, so how many pen holder can she make from a cardboard of area this 1800 centimeter square if the length, breadth and height of each pen holder is 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively. See, अब आप ये देखिए कि she has to make a pen holder ना, तो क्या ऐसा आपको फील हो रहा है कि पेन होल्डर का बॉटम नहीं होगा? ऐसा लगता है आपको?
No, ma'am.
होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए? पेन होल्डर में आप बॉटम रखोगे या नहीं रखोगे?
होना चाहिए.
होना चाहिए. But will you cover the top of it?
No, ma'am.
Of course not.
No, ma'am.
Otherwise, how should you hold a pen inside it? No, of course. तो अब आप
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
देखो कि you should make a pen holder like that कि आपके पास लेंथ मतलब कि 4 faces तो covered हों, lateral faces, but one bottom should be included. No. So एक
Yes,
आपको
ma'am.
सिर्फ टॉप को छोड़ देना है, otherwise you have to include each and every faces, means you have to include the 5 faces. So उन 5 faces को जब आपको include करना है तो what you will do? How much area you will find? You will find the whole lateral surface area and what? Whole lateral surface area.
Subtract the top of the.
No, not the top. Not the top. आप तो top को leave कर दे रहे हो ना. So you should just find the lateral surface area and what? And just the bottom. Only the bottom. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
See,
Yes, ma'am.
surface area of a pen holder, that should be the lateral surface area and only the area of base. Understood? So we know the area of what? Lateral surface area is what? 2HL plus B. But bottom include what? Just length and breadth. So it should be LB. Understood?
Yes.
Now see, when you just put the values of L, B and H which is given in the question, you will get 300 centimeter square. But in the question, what was that? They were asking कि how many pen holder you can make with this area 18 centimeter square. इस एरिया से आप क्या कर सकते हो? तो in 300 centimeter square you can make one pen holder. So it is just the unitary method. I think you can easily solve. No?
Yes, ma'am.
This is just the unitary method. So number of pen holders that can be made with cardboard of 18 centimeter square, it will be 1800 by 300, which will give you what? 6? No.
Yes, ma'am.
So I hope this lateral surface area and this total surface area of cube and cuboid, that is clear to you all? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So there is one question for you. Can you solve it for me? चलिए मैं आपसे कोई क्विज किया जाए, तब तो पता चले कि आपने क्या किया है. Since we have not done the curved surface area of hemisphere, so just leave this question. But we have done this. The surface area of cuboid. So can you tell me what should be it?
Ma'am, A number.
Yes, very good.
Yes, ma'am. A
चलिए.
number.
So Shreya has answered option A. I am submitting it. Yes, very good. So this one is option A, because they are talking about the surface area of cuboid, and surface area means what? It is total surface area. Next question is, again it is of hemisphere, so we leave that question. Cylinder we have not discussed. Yes, this question. See, the length, breadth and height of a room are given, that is 6, 5 and 4. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls and the ceiling of the room. Of course आप अपने फ्लोर को तो whitewash नहीं करवाते हो ना, या करवाते हो?
No, ma'am.
है ना? तो आप क्या whitewash करवाओगे? You will just use all the four walls of your room and the ceiling. So first they are saying कि if the cost is ₹5 per meter square, so what will be the cost of whitewashing? So first what should we find?
Lateral surface area.
And the area of?
Area of the top of
Yes, area of the ceiling. So it should be lateral surface area is 2 into h. H is what? Height of the room, that is 4. Just bear with it. It is not 14, okay? It is not 14, it is just 4 into L. So L is what? L is length. L is 6 plus breadth is 5. No. This is what? This is the area of 4 walls. When you add area of ceiling, you should add 6 into 5. Means 30 meter square आप add कर दोगे. क्यों? Because this is the area of ceiling. So please tell me what is the value of this area? This is 88 plus
Yes, ma'am.
30. So the area is 118. No.
Yes, ma'am.
When तो आपको कितनी एरिया को व्हाइट वॉश करवाना है? इट इज 118 मीटर स्क्वायर. अब 1 मीटर स्क्वायर का कॉस्ट आपसे मांगा गया है क्या? 5 रुपीज. सो व्हाट शुड बी द कॉस्ट?
Ma'am, 590.
590. चलिए मैं आपकी बात मानते हुए इसको 590 कर रही हूँ. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज दिस. आई एम सबमिटिंग. just wait. Okay. Yes, very good, Paya. So it is 590. I think this part is very clear to you. No.
Yes, ma'am.
So all the animations you have understood well, and you have understood about the surface area of cube and cuboid today. We will discuss some other parts, I mean cylinder and cone and sphere, some other day, and after then we have to discuss about its volume. So since it's your the time is over today, so we are just winding up here only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much, so everyone.
Okay.
Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.